Hello students, this is chapter 13 of Mayor of Casterbridge. The title given to this chapter is The Marriage. Fine. Now what happens in this chapter? Michael Hanchard settles Susan and Elizabeth Jane in a cottage which was located in the western part of Casterbridge. The cottage or the apartment is quite pleasant and well furnished. Hanchard even has acquired a servant for Susan, which shows his sense of responsibility. As soon as Elizabeth Jane and Susan are settled in the cottage, Hanchard calls upon them and stays for tea. Hanchard pursues his courtship for a respectable period of time. It gives him some pleasure that Elizabeth Jane is accepting the events very easily and knows nothing of the truth. But Susan is feeling repentful at having deceiving her own child. One day, Hanchard asks Susan to decide the day of their marriage. Susan fears that she is causing Hanchard too much trouble. She had never planned in this way to elaborate such a remarriage. Hanchard is quite resolved to make amends with Susan, providing a comfortable home for Elizabeth Jane and marrying Susan. He tells Susan since he has acquired an excellent new business manager, he will have more time to devote to his family. The townspeople begin to talk about the upcoming marriage, and Mrs. Newson is nicknamed as the ghost by townspeople because of her fragile and pale appearance. And they were gossiping how Hanchard took such a decision to marry such a pale and weak woman. And one day in November, Susan and Hanchard got remarried. The townspeople, they were waiting outside the church and commenting upon Hanchard's foolishness in marrying a woman so far beneath him in level and in appearance. But they accepted Hanchard's marriage with Susan. So this chapter is very, very important because it brings us a very important twist in the story, that is Hanchard's reunion with his ex-wife Susan, and it brings us the true character of Hanchard, how much resolved and how much stubborn he was, and he was a man of words. That is why he wanted to regret over his past life, and that is why he is amending with Susan. Thank you.